this video, I bring the easiest way to make more than $1,000 per day just by re-uploading content in a Pinterest for free. I know it sounds a bit scam, but trust me, normal users are making thousands of dollars using the side hustle. For example, this user with millions of views make over $10,000 per month just by sharing some photos. Just see these users who got millions of views with uploading photos and videos in Pinterest. So stay with me to learn a step-by-step plan to make money online by using Pinterest on 2024. In the first step, you need to know how Pinterest actually works. People use this platform to find ideas about different niches and find some good products. For example, people use Pinterest to find some home decoration ideas and some product to design their home. Now it is time to find the niche that you want to work. In this case, you should use trend.pinterest.com website. This website helps you to find viral content based on a user search. You can change the region of websites so it will be analyzed data on a specific country. For example, you choose United States. Then the website shows some trend search terms in that country. When you find a viral product with a graph which is growing, you can choose it to start. After that, you need to start posting some photos and video. But how we can find this post? The good news is that you can use different ways, such as Instagram, TikTok, or even Pixels, just by mentioning the name of video or photo owner. So start searching on any platform that you think it's easy to use. For me, it's Instagram. For example, we want to start posting about outfit. Now it is time to find some high quality photo in Instagram. This step has some secret. So I want to explain it for you. I search for a photo or video which is viral in that platform. After finding the photo or video, you can use saveinsta.com website to download the content. Then it is better to upload a photo in your Pinterest account to make people click on your photo. Click on Edit Profile, choose a photo or your account, a name, and make a description for your account. So when you set up your account, click on Create Pins and start posting. Upload the image or video, write a title, or even generate it using ChatGPT. But it is the most important step. And the destination link box is where you can bring the real money. Here is a place you can promote other product or content. So there is a wide range of websites that give you affiliate links to promote. For this video, I choose Kit.co website because in this website you can search a specific content and it will bring a lot of links that you can promote. Choose at least 5 to 10 links and put them in the destination link. Millions of people watch your photo or video in Pinterest. Just imagine 1% of this audience start buying from this link. It is the laziest way that will bring money for you. Now, if you start sharing 10 photos instead of 1 photo per day, your income will be increased 10 times. This is the truly passive income from the Pinterest. Just be sure that you link your bank account to affiliate website, which is Kit.co in this video. I hope you find this video useful. Start the side hustle and comment below the result. I will back soon.